So, anyways, in the wake of all this death and destruction, the thing that I always try to pass time is I listen to a lot of music. Iraqi music is shit. I'm going to say that. We make very shitty music. That's always the sound of gunfire and bomb blast and people screaming. And my identity is going to be shown if I do not cover my face. Shit. Okay. Now, the music that I really love is, the American music, and my favorite is the rap music, the hip hop. That it is very good, huh? Especially the man, what is Eminem? Yes, Eminem. I don't know what kind of name is that. His mother could not find a real name, so she just gave him 3 letters, Eminem. And he is what do you say? You people say that he is the shit. I do not know what kind of compliment is that. He is the shit. If somebody comes up to me and said, him, you are the shit, and I am going to cut off his neck, I do not want to be the shit. I want to be the flower. So say him, you are the flower. Ah. That is very good. I will give you a kiss. But do not come to me and say, him, you are the shit. You are a very big the shit. And I will kill you. I do not know what kind of American language is that when you abuse someone and it means something good. I mean, I do not want to go to my father and say, hey, father, you are the shit. Mother, you are the shit. I will be buried under night. Alive. So anyway, maybe in the next video after this one, I am going to make my own rap music. It is going to be freestyle. I am very shit at freestyle. I do not know what to say. Eminem, I watch him all the time, and he is the shit, my man. He is the shit. And let's see what kind of freestyle I come up with. It is going to be it's not going to be very the shit. It is going to be very shit. So, yes, my favorite music is hip-hop music, and I hope I get to be the shit like Eminem. Allah Hafiz.